Looking for ways to invest your money? Let's explore 15 investment options to consider. Investing is more than just hoping your wealth grows over time. It's about making strategic decisions that help diversify your portfolio and spread risk. From the stock market to real estate, from bonds to cryptocurrencies, there are a plethora of avenues to explore. Each investment option offers unique benefits and potential drawbacks, and it's important to understand these before diving in. So let's dive into the different ways you can invest your money. First, let's look at traditional investment options. The stock market offers the opportunity to invest in individual stocks of publicly traded companies. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can appreciate in value over time. Some stocks even pay dividends, providing a regular income stream. Bonds, on the other hand, are debt securities issued by governments, municipalities, or corporations. They pay periodic interest and return the principal amount at maturity, offering a more stable, income-focused investment. Real estate investments involve acquiring physical properties for rental income or capital appreciation. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio and can generate both ongoing cash flow and potential long-term gains. Mutual funds allow you to pool your money with other investors, managed by professionals. They provide instant diversification across various asset classes. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, function similarly to mutual funds but are traded on stock exchanges, often tracking specific indices. These traditional investment options form the backbone of many successful portfolios. Now, let's move on to modern and alternative investment options. Cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, are digital assets operating on blockchain technology. They offer high returns but are also known for their volatility. It's like riding a roller coaster, thrilling but unpredictable. Then we have peer-to-peer lending platforms where you lend money directly to individuals or small businesses. You play the bank, earning interest on your loans and diversifying your income sources. Next up is options trading. This involves contracts granting you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price. It's like having a VIP pass, giving you access but not forcing you to enter. Remember, it's a more advanced strategy requiring a solid understanding of the market. Lastly, we have robo-advisors, automated platforms creating and managing a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. It's like having a personal financial assistant, minus the small talk. These modern and alternative investment options can provide additional diversification and potential high returns. Lastly, let's discuss investment options designed for specific financial goals. 401(k) and individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, offer tax advantages and allow your money to grow until retirement. Savings accounts and CDs provide lower risk options for short-term goals. Precious metals act as a hedge against economic uncertainties. Dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIPs, increase your share ownership over time. Health savings accounts offer tax advantages, while education savings accounts help save for education expenses. These investment options can help you achieve specific financial goals, from retirement to education savings. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time. From stocks to cryptocurrencies or real estate to robo-advisors, it's vital to align your choices with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, diversifying across different asset classes and staying informed about market conditions can contribute to your investment success. Happy investing!